Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. So today I will take a class of maths for students of class 6. In my previous class I had discussed several things about the chapter knowing numbers like the numerals etc. So today's class I will discuss about Roman numerals, Roman numbers. So as you all know that the numbers which we are using right now, these are known as the Hindu Arabic numerals. जो हम इस समय नंबर यूज करते हैं उसको हिंदू अरबिक नंबर बोलते हैं. एंड द नंबर which is latest in comparison to the Roman numerals. रोमन न्यूमरल्स रोमन लोग जो यूज करते थे, जो लिपि उसको बोलते थे रोमन लैंग्वेज, रोमन न्यूमरल्स. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द रोमन न्यूमरल्स. रोमन नंबर. रोमन numbers, the numerology, you can say the number used by the Roman people is known as the Roman numbers. It is represented by the Roman numbers are represented by the alphabets. For examples, for 1 it is I, for 2 double I, for 3 triple I, and accordingly. For 5 it is V, and then for 10 it is X, and for 50 you can say, for 50 if you will move it is L. Then 100, for 100 is represented by C, and further if you will move 500 is represented by D, and 1000 is represented by M. So if you want to just write down here the Hindu Arabic number, Hindu Arabic number, and write down here Roman number. So in the Hindu Arabic you will get 1, here you will get I, here you will get 2, here you will get double I, 3 triple I, 4 IV, 5 V, 6 VI, 7 V double I, 8 V triple I, 9 IX, 10 X, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, and 1000 M. So these are the numbers, these are the Hindu Arabic numbers, and these are the Roman numbers. So you can write down all the Roman numbers with the help of these basic numbers. So you can say there are main numbers which are used in the Roman numbers are main number, main symbols, you can say main symbols are I, X, V, C, L, D, and M. These are the main numbers, main symbols based on which you can make all the numbers in the Roman numbers. For examples, if you want to make 1, then again there are certain rules. Actually there are certain rules on the basis of which you can convert or you can write down any number in the Roman number. So write down the certain rules. Before going to that, just take a screenshot of this picture so that you can make a notes. So I would like to discuss about the certain rules of Roman numbers. How you will write down Roman numbers with the help of rules. So write down about the rules for Roman number. Rules for Roman number. Rules 1. IX VLD never. Firstly, you can say here that VLD rule number 1. Rule number 1. Some symbols are here repeated and some symbols are not repeated. So we should know about which one is repeated and which one is not repeated. Some symbols are added together and some symbols are subtracted. So we should know about which one is added and which one is subtracted. Written more than one times. Symbols written more than one. Added like double I is equal to 2, double X is equal to 20. Here single I means 1, double I means 2, single X means 10, double X means 2. Okay, next rule. Any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Symbols cannot be repeated more than 3 times. It means that, like here, if you will repeat again it, then it will be 3, it will be 30, but you will not repeat more than 3 times. It will not be triple I, 4 times I, 4 times X. Okay, the maximum repetition of the symbol is only up to 3 times. Okay, rule number 3. Only symbol I, X, C and M. I, X, C, M repeated. Only symbol I, X, C, M repeated. Rule number 4. V, L, D never repeated. VLD never repeated. Okay. Rule number 5. Smaller symbol written on the left of greater symbol subtracted like IX is equal to X is equal to 10, I is equal to 1. So smaller symbol written left to the greater symbol is subtracted from the greater symbol. It means that we will subtract from 1 from 10. So we will get here 9. So smaller symbol written on the left of the greater symbol is subtracted. So if you want to write down 9, then you have to write down IX, because you will subtract I from the X, you will get 9. Next, smaller symbol written to the right of greater symbol added like XI is equal to 11. x I is equal to 11. For example, here x is 10, I is 1, so x I is equal to 11. Okay, x I is equal to 11. Rule number 7. I and x, I is only written to the left of I and x. Okay, so these are the symbols, and point 7 is that I and x, I and x, I and x are written only to the left of, written only to the left of Ix, Vx, I and x are written only to the left of x and v, x and c. Okay, just omit this point. Okay, I subtracted only from v and x. You will write down here I subtracted only from v and x. It means that we can write down I only towards the left of, to the left of v and x. You cannot write down I, you cannot subtract I from any other symbols. You can subtract I means 1 only from v and x. So this is again rules. So based on these rules, you can write down any number, any Hindu Arabic number into the numeral numbers, Roman numbers, and any Roman numbers into the Hindu Arabic numbers with the help of these rules. So take a screenshot of these symbols, these rules. Okay, so students, now your class, your chapter 1 have been completed here. Chapter 1 for the students of class 6 have been completed here. Okay, in the next class I will discuss about the several exercise questions and your problem. If you have any problem into solving them, any query from your side, so I will discuss about all those queries and problems from the exercise points based on those, and then we will further move to the next chapter. Okay, so students, I hope you have learned something about the Roman numbers. So it was all about the chapter 1 of class 6 mathematics, which is the knowing our numbers. So the exercise of this chapter will be done later in the later classes. So I hope you have enjoyed this class, and try to revise all the concepts which I have just taught you in my previous classes, so that when I will be in the exercise duration, then you will not get any problem while to solve the problems. Okay students, and one more thing is that like, subscribe and share this channel as much as possible to increase the number of students on this channel, to get them benefited from this channel. Thank you very much.